guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you see by the title and by this right over here, in today's video we're going to be unboxing a fidget toy set that I got from Claire's. I don't know why they have it, but they just do. I've never seen it there. So today we're going to be unboxing this little one. It has some fidgets that I do not have. As you can see, I'm going to give you a sneak there. That's your sneak peek. You don't get any more. So make sure you subscribe to this video, like, and put those notifications on. So let's get started with this video because I bet you guys are waiting. So, okay. So first of all, we're gonna try and open up the lid. We did. So now we're just gonna pick some stuff out. Okay, so I'm just gonna close my eyes and pick one out, and we're gonna see what it is. So, and some of these I do not have, so please don't judge how I say that. So I'm gonna close my eyes and pick one and look and open. So, yeah. Okay. Something. What's this? Almost got it. Oh, so we got monkey noodles. Oh, and it has like a little golden bow. Just like. So we're gonna untangle this and they did it like now. So let's try and get this out. If it is possible. So I just cracked my toes. Oh no. It got stick and it stained like a double line. So let's untangle this. Oh, that was not meant to do that. So we have got very stretchy and very like soft and very good scent. I don't know why I have that, but I just like the scent. Monkey noodles. So and very stretchy. If I did not mention that. So we have a red one. My brother loves these, so he's gonna start smoking them with one. We have a stretchy blue one. And that's all the monkey noodles we have. I don't know why they're called monkey noodles. They should just be called noodles. Stretchy noodles. People call them that, but the real name is just monkey noodles. I don't know why. Oh, I think it's called monkey noodles because it's like a monkey's tail. I don't know why, but I just think. So we're gonna put them right here where you guys can see, hopefully. No. We're just gonna put them here. Okay. So now we're gonna grab another one. Another one like this. No, just gonna grab another one. What is this? Harry, whatever that was. Oh, okay. Now I can. Oh, hello there. It's Bob came here to visit. Does he have a mouth? Please comment if he has a mouth. But he is actually like another monkey noodle, but harder and thicker because he's fat. He's fat but skinny at the same time, like and long and very. If you heard what I said, you shut your ears. I said that he is very hairy because he has a lot of hairs, and he doesn't like whenever I say that. So yeah, and he has some big eyeballs. I think he's supposed to be Caterpillar because I see his little feet. So, yeah, Mr. Caterpillar. Oh, you can't see that. So, Mr. Caterpillar. So, I will call him Bulb. Pink Bulb will stay on watch. Let's get another one. I feel something. I feel you, little. Wherever you are. Okay, now I can open my eyes. Yes, I think so. Ooh! We got another monkey noodle. We have like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we have 3 monkey noodles. This is so, okay. Well, I guess Becky came to visit. Becky, yes, Becky. So Becky came to visit. She is very long and furry, and she is a llama. A white one, a special one. She has an extremely long neck. She's supposed to be like this. They're llamas. Oh yeah. So Becky, yes, Becky the llama. Long ears, furry ears, especially. A big Pinocchio nose. So yeah, very, very, very hairy. And yeah, so that's our 3rd thing. If you can't see my pilot right here. There's my pilot. We're gonna put Mrs. Becky. I'm just gonna put that more there so that I can have more space. So Mrs. Becky and her friends. So Becky, Bulb, and Monkey. So Monkey, Bulb, and Becky are friends because they're monkey noodles. So we're gonna grab another one from here. And you know it, with the eyes closed. So we need to keep our eyes closed. Oh yeah, it does show one bulb here, but blue. There's a map. So yeah, now we're gonna grab another one. And yeah, we're gonna grab another one. With the eyes closed, obviously. Whatever dumps out first, I'm gonna open it. Okay, we got a winner. Oh. I actually don't want to open this one because I want to save it for last because I think it's like my favorite. So I'm gonna just put that there. Yeah. Just gonna put it at the bottom of this thing. And we're just gonna grab this one. Yeah. No, I wanna do the puppet first. Because I love puppets. It's a yellow one. Yes, it's a yellow one. I don't really like the normal puppets because I have a bunch of them already. So I don't like them. I think it's a lemon. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a lemon because lemons are yellow. Oh my god, it's so loud. Can you please be quiet? I'm so sorry, headphone users, if you're hearing this. So, yeah. Okay. We cannot open these, but thank goodness I have some scissors over here. Right here. You see them scissors? So we're gonna cut it open. Are you kidding me? I didn't need scissors. Because it already has something right there. If you can't see it. Yeah, so, it's a puppet. And we're going to try it out. Her name is called Lemonade. Because she's a lemon. I mean, she's the color of a lemon, so. Ask me your puppet. That's what my brother calls it. If you can't hear this, then put your headphones on. So that was the hard side. And now we're going to the soft side. I actually only, this is my 3rd circle puppet. because I have different shape poppets. So yeah, we're gonna see if it's good. If it's not good, I'm going to be mad. We are going to pop the soft side. So let's do it. And this is ASMR, so if you don't like ASMR, then just skip forward. And if you do, then stay on, put your headphones on, and you'll be asleep fast. Okay, we're gonna do it now. Yes. Boom! So we did it. We did the puppet. It was good, so I'm not gonna be mad and just throw it to my bed. If you can see it, it's here. Yeah, it's right there. That's my bed. So, yeah, I was about to throw it if it was that. I was gonna throw it. But no, we're gonna throw it back to us. And put you there. Okay, so next one is gonna be this one. This one, it's green. Yes, it's green. It is. Open sesame. Soft. Oh my god. Look, guys, I just want you to look at this. It is so sticky, if you can't say it. So it is very sticky. So we're gonna squish it and see if it's good. It has water and like some, I don't know, tinted thingy-majiggy. Okay, I don't know what it's called, so that's how I pronounce it. Thingy-majiggy. Oh, we just squished it. I'm sorry, but we didn't feel anything. So now we're gonna squish it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! Ooh, that. Oh my god! It has like metallic water. I can't say it. Boom. Let's see right there. You can see it is very metallic. Oh, you saw that move. So it is very metallic and very sticky, as you can see. And then, yes, you heard that slap. It's called a nice jiggly slap. Oh, I don't want to break you. Okay. Greenie, yes, green. Now we're gonna add Jim. Yes, his name is Jim. So we're gonna add Jim on top of the puppet because he is definitely not fat. This can puppet. Yes, okay. So now we're gonna get the last final thing in here, which is my favorite. Yes, I know you may be thinking like, no, the puppet is your favorite. Like, how could you know what the puppet was? Well, this is my favorite. So, because it is pink, I know Bob is pink. I finally remembered his name. So yes, I know Bob is pink. Pink is my favorite color, so yeah, Bob just, you know my favorite. So the last one shall be chosen. Yes, we're gonna let you see the cover. So this is called a water snake. So I've never had a water snake in my life. I've always wanted one. My mom didn't let me buy any on Amazon because, you know, moms don't let you buy it like anything. And mom, if you're watching this, please click off this video right now. Okay, so, and my dad lets me buy anything I want. So, we're gonna open the water snake. And you may be wondering like, no, you opened this before, because these 3 were not in packages, like plastic, but I didn't open it. It just came without plastic. So yeah. Okay, so now let's just open it, you know? So what, we're gonna open it without strength, like, oh, did you see that jiggle? Let me do that again. I just want to grab off the plastic. And boom. Oh, I have that. Oh my god, why does it have writing on it? You can't see the writing. Let me grab off the plastic. Yeah, that's the writing. I don't like it. Let's put this right in front of me. Okay, so guys, I'm going to finally touch it. I've been wanting to touch it. I bought it yesterday. So, we're finished with this, and we're gonna touch my favorite one out of all. The water snake. I've never touched one before. I've seen so many TikToks of it. Let me wait. I've seen a bunch of TikToks of it, and I was just like, I want to get one. So I went to Claire's. I was looking for activator so that I can make some. And I found this. I was like, can I buy this? My mom said no. I'll be like she says almost every time. And you're like, no, you need to buy with your money. And I did. And I still haven't paid her back. Yes. So, yeah. I saw the water snake and I was like, that's a water snake. I've never seen one in my life. So, I just bought it. I begged her. But she said, you need to buy it with your money. So now I'm going to touch it for the first time. Yeah, I really am. Now we're going to touch it. In 3, we're gonna give it a squish. In 3, 2, 1. We're just gonna grab it. Oh my god. It's very oily. I don't know if they put oil or if it's just the water. And I don't even know how to make water snakes, so that's why I wanted to buy one. Can I go deeper? Ooh. Ooh. Under the sea. Oh, what does this have? Oh, it has flamingos! And it has flamingos because flamingos are pink and this thing is pink. My favorite color. Like, it always slips off your hand for some reason. I've never touched a water snake in my life. Literally, in my whole 9 years of living, I've never touched one. Yes, you heard me. 9 years. Because I'm 9 years old. And if you've been watching my channel and being a fan, you know that I used to be 8 years old. But I turned 9 on October the 13th, the same day. And I didn't record a video of it because I was doing a party with my classmates. So I unfortunately could not do a video because you could not bring any cameras. I think so, I don't know so. I think you couldn't bring any cameras there. And I was just like too tired to record. So this is actually very slippery, but very cool at the same time. Like, I've never touched one before. Like, it's so cool. I'm literally gonna bring this to school tomorrow. And if somebody pops it, they're gonna have to pay me. No, I'm just not gonna bring it to school. Oh yeah. I'm so dumb. I forgot I even have school tomorrow. Yeah, I pretty much think that is the end of this magical video. So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Because I think I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, even if I have like 100. Yeah, I'm trying to get to that by this year. Yes, by this year. And yeah, so, oh my god, it keeps falling on my hand. So, I'll see you guys in my next video, which I think it's going to be on my gaming channel. If you haven't checked it out, then just check it out. So, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.